Our next recipe is focaccia bread. It is one of the most irresistible classic Italian recipes. And if you love bread, don't forget to watch the full video. Try this recipe. Let's begin.
Sia and Sai and more. This is my family. Meet my brother Sai. Then I'm Sia. Two inventor cute. Set free. In the Philippines. Like the video, subscribe, get notified.
Mix 3 or 3/4 cup flour, 2 teaspoon instant yeast, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon sugar, add 450 ml water. Mix with spoon because this will be so much sticky. Add olive oil. Cover the mixture. Refrigerate 12 hours or overnight. Dough will be elastic, sticky, and smooth. Then transfer it to a clean greased olive oil. Add olive oil on top, then cover it. Rest until double in size. Now we're ready to transfer it to our baking pan. Grease the pan with olive oil so it won't stick while cooking. For my bread, I layered it with mozzarella cheese for additional flavor. You can skip this or add any favorite filling you desire. Add the last dough on top. Cover and rest for 20 to 30 minutes. This was rested good. Add additional olive oil and salt. Do the dimple method so the olive oil and salt will combine into the dough. This is our focaccia bread, crispy on the outside, soft and fluffy in the inside. Sharing is caring. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos.